Namaste children, welcome back to your social studies class. Children, in my previous video, I started your 13th lesson, that is one of the metropolitan city of our country is Delhi, New Delhi and Old Delhi. About that we discussed, and its location, where it is located in our India, and its neighbor states, and climate of our Delhi state, and also some of the famous buildings which are located in Delhi. Those are all the things we discussed in our previous video. And now I am going to continue that same lesson, and which are the buildings, few more buildings, famous buildings located in New Delhi, that I am going to explain to you in my today's video. Please look at your screen. I am going to share those all the pictures on your screen now. These things already we discussed, dear children. Rashtrapati Bhavan, where it is the place where our president of our country is going to be or live, and in front of it there is a garden called Mughal Garden. It is one of the tourist attractive place. Later Parliament House, that we discussed downside, and next one is upside. It's Parliament House buildings upside. It is there that the Central Secretariat or central government offices which will be there in that secretariat. About these three buildings we discussed in our previous class. Next one you can see here, children, Rajpath. So in front of the Rashtrapati Bhavan, which we have the road, main road, it is considered as Rajpath. Rajpath means Raja Marga ಅಥವಾ ರಾಜನ ದಾರಿ ಅಂತಲೇ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. It means it is one of the main road which is coming in between the Rashtrapati Bhavan and India Gate. India Gate means it is India Gate. Look at this. This is an image of India Gate, one of the building. So which is there at the end of another end of the Rajpath. One end there is Rashtrapati Bhavan and another end there is India Gate. In between it is coming. ಅಂದರೆ Rashtrapati Bhavan ಮತ್ತು India Gate ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರಸ್ತೆ. It is considered as Rajpath, we call it. And Rajpath, on this road only our army troops, it means our navy or land army or then air force, they are going to have their march past on this road only, Rajpath only, on Republic Day or Independence Day, whichever those national festivals they may be organized. On those days our army people, they are going to have march past on this road, Rajpath. Then, so it means we are going to celebrate those national festivals with grand arrangements in this road, in Rajpath. That is why Rajpath is very famous. It is in Delhi. It is coming in between Rashtrapati Bhavan and India Gate. So India Gate is here, and it is located the other end of the Rajpath, and it was built in the memory of the brave Indian soldiers who lost their lives in the First World War. First World War, it has taken place in the in between 1914 to 1918. For 4 years it was continued, that war. In that war, on behalf of Britishers, our Indian soldiers, they participated in the First World War, and they sacrificed their life for the country's freedom. Britishers, they asked us to participate in that war. If you are participated in that, we will give you the independence. This was the agreement they have done, so that our Indian soldiers, they sacrificed their life for their win in the First World War. In the memory of those soldiers, brave soldiers, we have built this one. India Gate is built in the memory of those soldiers or martyrs which who are all sacrificed their life in the First World War. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ನೆನಪಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಗೇಟ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ರಾಜ್ಪಥ್ನ ಅನದರ್ ಎಂಡಲ್ಲಿ. ಎ ಫ್ಲೇಮ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಮರ್ ಜವಾನ್ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ beside this Rajpath we have a jyoti or lamp. It is called as Amar Jawan Jyoti. Jawan is nothing but soldier. It means Amar means ಸಾವೇ ಇಲ್ಲದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು, ಅಥವಾ ಎಂದಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಸಾಯೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಅಮರರಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಸತ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರುಗಳು ಕೊನೆಯವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಯಾವ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ತಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಆರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅಮರ್ ಜವಾನ್ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬಿಸೈಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಗೇಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್. ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಗೇಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಯರ್ನ ಬಿಸೈಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಇದರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಅಮರ್ ಜವಾನ್ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಬರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ದಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಬರ್ನಿಂಗ್. So it will not stop anywhere. It means whole year it will be burning. In the memory of those brave soldiers, we are burning that lamp called Amar Jawan Jyoti. Every year Republic Day and our president is going to, and Prime Minister also, they are going to participate in the celebrations of our Republic Day or Independence Day. Prime Minister, President and other central ministers and state ministers and army troops and army chiefs all will be participating in that celebration, in those celebrations. And thousands of tourists also, they are coming to attend those kind of programs which will be conducted in the Rajpath and all. And these are all the things you should know. After that, next building you see here, children, it is one of the famous building and important building. It is Red Fort, we call it. What we call it? Red Fort. And also there are so many other temples, mosques and then gurudwaras of Sikhs and all, they are there in Delhi. And other than those, these are the famous buildings we have here. Red Fort. Red Fort, it is one of the famous building in India. And you know that our president and prime ministers, they are going to hoist our national flag on this building on Republic Day and Independence Day. Republic Day and Independence Day, national flag will be hoisted on this building by our Prime Minister and President. So respectively they are going to hoist the national flag on this building, Red Fort building. It is because it is made up of red bricks. This building is made up of red bricks. That is why its name is called as Red Fort. Red Fort we call it. It was built in the time of Shah Jahan. When he was ruling, that time Shah Jahan he supported people to build this port, Red Fort. And on 15th August, Independence Day, it means on that day Prime Minister will hoist our national flag here, and on Republic Day our President will hoist our national flag. I said that. Next building you see here, children, it is one of the most important building is that is Qutub Minar. It is iron pillar. Here you can see Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is one of the pillar, iron pillar. It never rusts. Rusting, you know, it common for the iron materials. Rusting means ತುಕ್ಕಿಡಿಯೋದು. ಕಬ್ಬಿಣವನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಪೀಸ್ ಕಬ್ಬಿಣವನ್ನು ಎಸ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನಗಳ ನಂತರ ಆ ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದ ಪೀಸನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ತುಕ್ಕಿಡ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಜಂಗು ತಿಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ ತುಕ್ಕಿಡಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ದೇ ನ್ಯೂ ದಟ್ ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ದಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಐರನ್ ಟು ರಸ್ಟ್. ತುಕ್ಕಿಡಿದೇ ಇರೋ ಥರ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು ಐರನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಏನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಅವರ್ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ದೇ ನ್ಯೂ ದಟ್. And here during the period of Iltmish was the ruler. During the ruling of this Iltmish, this Qutub Minar pillar, it was created in the Delhi city. It was kept there in the Delhi city. And it never rusts. You keep it in your mind. Idu yavattu tukkidiyalla. One of the tourist place it is Qutub Minar. And also Humayun's tomb and Old Port and Jama Masjid and Jantar Mantar. These kind of so many kind of buildings, new buildings and important buildings are there in Delhi. Okay. See here, it is Jantar Mantar. Jantar Mantar, it was used to observe the space ancient time. It was considered as one of the space research center like we have now ISRO, no? NASA and ISRO, like that. At the time, they were going to observe the changes of our space in this building. This is called Jantar Mantar. Okay, now also we have this building in Delhi city. Jantar Mantar, its name is. Here it is, Jantar Mantar. Next, after that you see so many great people, they died in our India, freedom fighters and politicians and social workers and all. So now one of the father of our nation, you know him, he is Mahatma Gandhi. And Mahatma Gandhi ji is considered as the father of our nation. He died in the year 1948. After his death, we buried his body in this place. It is called as Rajghat, we call it. Tomb. ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಸ್ ಟೂಂಬ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಸಮಾಧಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಸತ್ತ ನಂತರ ಅವರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೂತಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಆ ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೂತಾಕಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜಾಗವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಮಾಧಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಟೂಂಬ್, TOMB, ಟೂಂಬ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಸ್ ಟೂಂಬ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಜ್ಘಾಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್? Rajghat. Not only is, and there were so many freedom fighters, they died, and their tombs also, they are located in Delhi city only. So this is one of the example I given. Rajghat is the samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. Next, after that, Nehru Planetarium, Zoological Park, Doll Museum, and other famous places and buildings are located in Delhi city. If you go Delhi, you just watch these all the important buildings of Delhi. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವಾಗಾದರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಜೊತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ನೀವು ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪಿಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಟೂರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೋದರೆ ನೀವು ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ಖಂಡಿತ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಯರ್. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಗಿವನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಪಂಡಿತ್ ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರೂಸ್ ಟೂಂಬ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಶಾಂತಿವನ. ಓಕೆ, Nehru's tomb is called Shantivana, and Shastri, Lal Bahadur Shastri, his tomb is called as Vijaya Ghat, we call it. What we call it? Vijaya Ghat. And Gandhiji's Rajghat, and Lal Bahadur Shastri's Vijaya Ghat, and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's Shantivana. And Indira Gandhi's tomb also, it is located there. It is considered as, we call it as a Shakti Sthala we call it. And also Atal Bihari Vajpayeeji's tomb also, it is located here. Smriti Sthala we call it. Like that, there are so many places, tombs located in Delhi. And religious places, see here children, it is Birla Mandir. Birla Mandir is Lakshmi Narayana temple also located in Delhi. One of the beautiful building in Delhi, Lakshmi Narayana temple or Birla Mandir. Next, Bangla Sahib, Gurudwara, and Jama Masjid, and Bhai temple, and all these are all the things. And Lotus temple, you see here Lotus temple, and it is Jama Masjid. These are the famous buildings, old buildings. They are located in Delhi, and they are very attractive buildings. You see Lotus temple, how it is, like lotus flower only it is. Okay, Bhai temple, its name is, and another name is Lotus temple. So these are all the buildings are located in Delhi. And next one is festivals. What are all the types of festivals they celebrate? You know, all the national festivals of our country will be celebrated in Delhi with lots of big arrangements, like Republic Day and Independence Day and all, and Gandhi Jayanti and all. So national festivals will be taken because it is our national capital. So national festivals will be celebrated in a big manner in the Delhi city. Next, transport. Transport is very important for a state. So here in Delhi we have metro train facility, like in Bengaluru also we have Namma metro. Like that in Delhi also we have their metro rail facility. Metro rails, they are connecting the city, areas of the city, big city. Delhi is one of the big city, no? So these metro trains are connecting those areas. These metro trains are running in between those areas, from this area to that area to another area. Like that they take the passengers and they live there. And next one, you know, one of the big this one sports meet, it was conducted. Its name is the Commonwealth Games of 2010. Commonwealth Games 2010 was conducted in Delhi city, and thousands of people, lakhs of people, they participated in this Commonwealth Game 2010. Okay, 2010, in that year, most of the people, they participated in that Commonwealth Game and all. And cricket team of Delhi, you know, IPL cricket, Indian Premier League, in that cricket teams are there. No, from Delhi city state also there is a cricket team called Delhi Capitals, they call it. That also they given here, mentioned here. And other tourist places in this Delhi city, they listed out here. India Gate, you can see here. India Gate, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Jama Masjid, Rail Museum, Jantar Mantar, Dolls Museum, Lotus Temple, then Aksharadhama Temple, Nehru Planetarium, and Rajghat, Shantivana, Vijaya Ghat, Gurudwara, Bangla Sahib, and after that Lakshmi Narayana Temple, or Birla Mandir. These are all the tourist places located in Delhi city. And it is the information about the biggest metropolitan city in our India is Delhi. Okay. Okay children, with this I am going to conclude my today's class. If you have any doubts or if I tell anything correct or wrong, you can phone call me, you can ask me about your doubts. Okay, just you can call me. Guruji, this was you told, no, how it is and all, you can ask me. Anytime you can send me a message or call me to ask your doubts. Okay, take care children, have a nice day.